Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss some commonly used Instruqt CLI commands. A command is a directive to an operating system or an application to perform a task. For example, copying a file or creating a track in Instruqt. If you don't yet have the CLI installed, refer to our previous video, How to Install the Instruqt CLI, or check out our documentation page. Instruqt CLI commands start with the Instruqt directive, followed by a command with an optional subcommand and optional flags. For example, challenge is a command which has a create subcommand and a title flag. Let's explore some of the available commands. To do this, open up a terminal and type instruct-help. And here we can see the available commands. We can also drill down any command with the help flag. Let's take the track command for example. Type instruct track-help. And here are the subcommands for the track command. Let's drill that down even further by adding one of these subcommands, instruct track create-help. Now the CLI shows examples and the flags for the create subcommand. Let's look at the 5 most commonly used Instruqt CLI commands. Instruct track create scaffolds a local directory with track configuration files. Instruct challenge create creates a new challenge locally and generates the template files for you. Instruct track push pushes the local track to the Instruqt platform. Instruct track test tests the track with all lifecycle scripts: setup, check, solve, and cleanup. Instruct track logs tails logs of the track. For more information about these and other Instruqt CLI commands and how to utilize them, visit our documentation page.